Welcome to Breakaway Chiropractic, where we help you on your journey to higher health. Do you ever wake up with stiffness or pain in your low back? Today I'm going to show you how to fix your low back pain in just 15 minutes a day using simple stretches, ergonomic adjustments, and professional chiropractic tips. I'm Dr. Hash with Breakaway Chiropractic. Welcome to this video, and if you are new here, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos on posture, pain relief, and spinal health. Your lumbar spine supports almost all your body weight, so when your posture, muscles, and joints are off balance, it creates pressure, inflammation on your nerves, which then leads to muscle tension and also numbness and tingling. Starting with stretch number 1, we're going to be doing cat-cows. We're going to do these for 30 seconds, and we're going to do 3 rounds. Start on all fours, and as you inhale, drop your belly and lift your head. As you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, as this mobilizes every segment of your spine and warms up your core. Be sure to do this nice and slow and really focus on your form. The next one is going to be a seated spinal twist. This one's best sitting on the floor. You're going to cross your right leg over your left, and you're going to rotate your spine to the side that's crossed. We're going to hold this for 30 seconds per side. It's best to do it 3 times on each side. The whole point of this stretch is to release tension through your lumbar spine and thoracic spine. This is great for those who are sitting all day long. It helps release that tension from sitting and takes pressure off of your low back. Moving on to stretch number 3, we're going to be getting into the hip flexor stretch. Most low back pain starts in the hips. Kneel with one leg forward, tilt your pelvis slightly back until you feel a stretch through the front of your hips. Keep your core tight, as this helps relieve tension that pulls on to your low back. To get a deeper stretch, you can reach your arm up and extend back, but be sure to have your knees and your legs at 90-90, as you can see in the video right here. As you open up, be sure to do this 45 seconds on each side. And once again, you can do it 3 times on each side. Next, we're going to get into child's pose. From all fours, push your hips back towards your heels and reach your arms forward. Be sure to breathe deeply. On your exhale, try to get your glutes or your butt all the way down to your heels or to the floor.
Yep, go for it.
This stretch really helps decompress your spine and relaxes your low back muscles. The next progression to this is putting your arm underneath. As we get that rotation and threading the needle, we're able to get a rotational stretch as well. And you can lean to each different side. Be sure to do both sides, 3 sets, 30 seconds to really get that stretch and open it up. Now that your body's moving better, let's make sure your environment supports it. When you're sitting at a computer, make sure your screen is at eye level and be sure to follow the 90-90 rule. Keep your knees, hips, elbows all at 90 degrees. Guys, I hope this video helps you relieve some of your back pain. 15 minutes a day is all it takes. If there's something else that you'd like to see in another video or you have questions, please comment below. And please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. That way you can see other future videos that we have or even our past adjustment videos of how we are helping people in need. Take care, guys, and have a great day.